Hello out there, welcome to my channel. My name is Olutola. In this lesson I will be taking you through the topic circle, and at the end of this lesson we'll be able to derive or find the equation of a circle when the center and the radius is given. So to start this up, we need to understand that a circle is defined. A circle is defined by its center and its radius, because a circle is a locus of points equidistant from a fixed point, and that fixed point is what we call the center. It's a set of points. The circle is a set of points. That's what a locus means. It's a set of points that are joined together from a fixed point. So for us to get the equation of a circle, I will take you through this in a moment. And we have this as the y-axis, and this is the x-axis, and this is the origin. And this is a circle that its center is at a coordinate AB from the origin. You can see the distance A is here and distance B is here. From the center to a point on the circumference, which we call a radius, is another point Q, which has coordinates x and y. The difference between this point and this point is x minus a. Similarly, the distance between this point from the origin here down here up to this point Q, the y-axis is y, and the difference between point P and Q on the y-axis is y minus b. So that's this distance. Bringing that together in a triangle now, we have a right angle triangle PQR. Of course, you know that this is a 90 degrees and this is point Q. So I'm bringing it out here. I call this point R. In this right angle triangle, we have from this point to this point to be x minus a. We have from this point to this point to be y minus b. So we want to get the radius. Given the center and a point on the circumference. So to get the radius, we will need to bring in Pythagoras theorem here. And you know Pythagoras theorem is applied on right angle triangle. So we have in the triangle PQR, we have PR to be x minus a. That's from here to this point. Then we have QR to be y minus b. To get the radius by Pythagoras theorem, we have r square equals to PR square plus QR square. That's Pythagoras theorem. So we have our PR to be x minus a square, and we have our QR to be y minus b square. So this equation is what we call the equation of a circle. With center A, B as given here, and radius r. So this relation r square equals to x minus a square plus y minus b square is what is used to find the equation of a circle. I'll use that in an example problem in my next lesson.